developments that you are sharing. And now we move forward with more updates coming in from Karnataka. The Karnataka High Court has directed the state government to share the full status report on the 4th of the June stampede at Bengaluru's Chinnaswamy Stadium openly with Karnataka State Cricket Association, the KSCA, RCB and event organizers. DNA Entertainment asserting the inquiry does not involve national security or public interest concerns. A division bench comprising Acting Chief Justice V. Kameshwar Rao and Justice C.M. Joshi have made these observations while on Monday deciding whether the parties involved in the suo motu public interest litigation on the stampede should be given access to the report. The court reiterated that the suo motu proceedings were initiated to determine the cause of the stampede, access accountability and suggest preventive measures for the future. Withholding the report from key parties while expecting their cooperation would be unfair, the bench has said. Barry Thomas joins me live on the telecast with the updates at this point of time. Now, in fact, Belly, as the Karnataka High Court has given out this judgment, the RCB stampede row explodes further. It has ordered the stampede report to be shared. What more details are you picking up?
Simran, the Karnataka High Court has directed the state government to give a copy of the status report about the stampede to the two accused parties. That is, one is the Karnataka State Cricket Association and the RCB, Royal Challengers Bengaluru, who are and as a party to this crime, stating that it was due to their negligence, it was due to their act that this stampede had happened, and which caused 11 deaths and more than 50 injured. So now the court has said that the state government cannot give anything in a sealed cover unless the matter is concerning out of a national security or the public interest litigation or the privacy or the copyright acts is what the court had observed during arguments, and said that the status report by the state government will have to be presented or will have to be shared with the accused parties as well, because they have the right to know as to how they were involved in this as a stakeholder or as a third party, even for that matter. So this was what the court observed, and they have granted a verdict stating that the state government will have to provide a copy of the contents that they had submitted to the court in a sealed cover, and they have cited a lot of cases on this as well, and the court has observed that the state government has to give a copy of this particular status report to the accused parties, both the KSCA and the RCB. Simran.
All right, Belly, thank you very much for the latest updates that now you are sharing in this regard, and we move forward with more latest breaking developments that we are tracking in response to the Air India crash tragedy. Singapore Airlines has